Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we will discuss about a topic that project plan is not only about schedule. Friend, today's topic is very easy and very simple. Why I'm making the video on this topic, that most of the time whenever we are working in a company or different organizations or talking with customer, most of the people think that my project plan is just simply a schedule means a Gantt chart or just the dates. So most of the people think that project plan is just only a schedule. So which is not true, which is just a misconception, that most of the people think that a project plan is just only a schedule. So if we talk about in terms of PMP or PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, project plan is more than about the schedule or more than the dates. So today we will discuss about this topic in detail and see what is project plan and what it should cover. um, Friend, the purpose of making this video is that if you are going to give an exam of PMP, or also it is very important if you are already a project manager and working as a project implementer in any organization. So it is very important that you should understand the concept of project plan and why we should make a project plan and what it should cover, because it is very necessary to understand the importance of project plan and also use it in the true sense. Um, my pain is that I just want to express myself that most of the time whenever we are working in organizations and working with customers, they think that project plan is just a schedule and only the dates, and also they don't understand the importance and the value of project plan actually. Because they don't know the project plan, so they think that it is only the collection of dates. So they don't give the value, they don't give the importance of actual the you can say the essence of project plan. So in this tutorial, in this video, I would try to explain the importance of project plan and what it should be covered, what should be covered in the project plan. So today we will discuss this thing in detail. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so whenever my new video came, so you can be notified and you can see it accordingly. Friend, let me tell you that many people think that project plan is just only a Gantt chart like this, like MPP file or MS project file. Most of the people think that project plan is just only a thing. uh, First of all, we have to see and understand that, friend, project plan, why we make a project plan and what does that mean. First of all, try to understand in detail project plan. What is a project? According to the definition of PMP, PMBOK, project is a unique service or product which has some definite ending time. What are the example of project? You can say, in terms of software development, if you are implementing a e-commerce solution for customers, so you can say that you will start in January and you will end it in March. So the implementation of the e-commerce solution is a project. Implementation of any mobile application, it is a project. You can say the implementation of any new procedure in a company, it is a project. Why? Because it has some unique output and it has some definite endpoint. So project means any specific unique service or product output which has some definite endpoint, means that its implementation should be end at some time. Okay, so that is called the concept of project. Now relate it with the plan. Plan means that whatever the unique service or product you want to deliver, it has some it needs some plan means that how you will deliver it, how you will deliver it to the customer. That, for example, let me give you an example, that if you have to travel from point A to point B, okay, so there should be some plan in your mind that how you will travel from point A to point B. That means that you need a car needs a petrol. You should have the clear idea of the roads, the track. Also, you have the risk in your mind that if there is some traffic blockade in somewhere, then how you will cater it, etc., etc. So all these things are the plan in your mind. So similarly, whenever you are implementing a project, so it needs a specific plan in your mind, in on the document, so how you will manage it. So that is called the project plan. Okay, are you getting my point? That how you will implement a project. As a project manager is a person who is managing a project. So project plan means that how you will manage a project, how you will execute a project. So now coming towards our main topic, that what should be covered in the project plan. Friend, first of all, project plan should cover the scope. Scope means the things which you have to deliver. What are the modules? What are the requirements of customer? It should be logged, it should be signed off, and it should be clearly mentioned in the project plan the scope, what we have to deliver to customer. Okay, then next is the time. Time means here the schedule means the dates, that what should be delivered at what stage. For example, in January we have to deliver this thing, in February we have to deliver this thing in detail activity wise, in March we have to deliver this thing. So time is very important, that how much time is needed to complete the project. It should be clearly mentioned in the project plan. Cost is very important. Cost means that to achieve something, how much cost is needed. Here cost means resource cost. A resource means if you have one software engineer, one solution architect, one QA person, so you should know the cost. You should know the hourly rate of resources, so that you can calculate the cost. Also, if you are implementing, if you are adding some resources like physical equipment, so also you need the cost of that equipment as well. Quality should be covered in the project plan. What is quality? Remember one thing, quality means, friend, quality means the coverage of a scope, but how you will make sure the quality is covered. Here quality means, friend, that you make a commitment that, for example, that you will implement a e-commerce solution. So how you will make sure that you are making a right thing, how you are making a right e-commerce solution. So there should be some procedures to ensure that you are delivering as per the quality, as per the scope. Okay, quality means meeting the scope. Okay, now risk, the risk means the uncertainty scenario, which can be positive or negatively impact the project. So how you will implement, how you will manage the risk in a project. There should be a clear understanding in your mind that how you will manage the risk means uncertainty. Communication is very important, that how you will manage the communication, which information should be delivered to which person, which information should not be delivered to any person. What are the mediums like email, written, voice conversation, etc., like you will use Skype, go to meeting, etc. So the communication medium should be clear, the communication mechanism should be clear in the project plan. Stakeholder management is very important. You should have the ability, you should have the clear vision, that which stakeholder has which powers, which stakeholder has which influence on the project. So stakeholder management is also should be part of the project plan. Resource management should be a part of project plan. Resource management means that you should have the clear idea that in January how many resources would be available, in February how many resources would be available and would not be available on or on leaves. So resource management should be clearly mentioned. Should resource plan is very important. Procurement plan. Procurement plan mean that it should be a part of project plan, that you should have the understanding that which equipment you are procuring in January, which equipment will be late, if it will become late, how you will manage it in February, how much which equipment is coming. So procurement means that you should have the understanding, you should have a plan that how you will procure the things and how you will manage it. Okay, so it should also be a part of project plan. Integration means, friend, integration means that how you will integrate all the things. For example, you know that as a project manager you should have a very good integration skills. Integration means that, for example, you are getting the technical information from the resource, then you have to vet it from somewhere, then you have to make a document and submit to the customer, and then get the sign off from customer and return it back to the technical team that it has been approved. Now you just have to start and then make a meeting, and then conduct a meeting to deliver it to the give the understanding to the to the team. So all these parts of the integration. So integration should be clearly, there should be a plan that how you will manage the integration. If you study in detail, if you are already working as a project manager, then you should have a very good skills of integration. So friend, I hope I have tried my level best to explain the concept of project plan, that why it is important and what should be covered in the project plan. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. I have tried my level best to explain the main concept of project plan here. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and that's all from my side. Thank you.